showing you the world in a way too early. Ray Hardy, travelpreneur. Catch flights, build dreams, now it's your turn. Yeah. Let's go, travel more, live more, build more, build more.
Most people think travel is expensive because flights and hotels cost too much, but many times the real issue is avoidable mistakes made before the trip starts. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 travel mistakes that cost people money every year and how to avoid them. Number 1, waiting too long to compare options. Last-minute planning usually means fewer flights, fewer rooms, and higher prices. Compare early and check different dates, airports, resorts, and packages. Number 2, booking based on hype instead of value. Social media makes every place look amazing, but pictures do not mean it fits your trip. Value means the trip matches your budget, style, and purpose. Number 3, ignoring extra fees. A cheap flight or hotel can look like a deal until baggage fees, seat fees, resort fees, transfers, tips, and meals get added. Before booking, ask what is included. Number 4, traveling at the wrong time. Holidays, spring break, summer vacation, major events, and long weekends can raise prices. If you have flexibility, compare travel windows. Leaving earlier or later can save money. Number 5, choosing the wrong location. A hotel can look great online, but still be in the wrong area. Location affects transportation, safety, time, and stress. Check the map, nearby spots, and reviews. Number 6, not using a real travel strategy. Many people grab a deal without looking at the full picture. Start with the purpose of the trip. Is it relaxation, celebration, family time, romance, adventure, or a group getaway? That answer guides better choices. Number 7, assuming all deals are equal. The lowest price is not always the best deal. One package may include bags, transfers, breakfast, and better flight times. Another may charge extra for everything. Compare what you are getting. Before you book, ask, what am I really getting? If you want to travel smarter, subscribe because this channel helps you see more, spend better, and enjoy the trip without stress.
Pack your vision, yeah. Book the dream, it's time to move different. Dre Hardy, travelpreneur, showing you the world and the way to earn. Dre Hardy, travelpreneur, catch flights, build dreams, now it's your turn.